Follow along to make this easy color craft. You need several colors of cardstock, scissors, a glue stick, and white paper. Start by cutting your paper into strips. Fold the ends just a little. Cut 2 circles of each color. Once you have everything cut out, glue the circles in random order. You do not want the same colors next to each other. Have your kids find 2 matching circles. They will glue one end of each strip of paper onto each circle. Have them repeat the steps until all the circles have been matched. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.